ACS's articulating exhaust arms are designed for maximum versatility, allowing you to use one system across a wide spectrum of equipment sizes and configurations. The articulating exhaust arm can rotate around its base, as well as telescope both horizontally and vertically. With 180 degrees of rotation, you can precisely position the arm over the engine, or place against the wall when not in use. The horizontal adjustment allows you to reach exhaust locations both near and far. The vertical adjustment gives you the flexibility to work with tall or short engines, or to position behind an obstruction. With ACS's intuitive controls, anyone can learn to operate the system in minutes. Contact ACS to see how we can provide a solution that meets your needs.